Hey co-creators, I'm Will from Cokreeate. Our company specializes in 3D scanning, 3D printing, reverse engineering, and much more. Since we do a lot of reverse engineering, having a good scanner is important to a workflow. You want to know that using a 3D scanner requires you to have a good PC or a laptop and a power source to run. There's times where you're on a job site, you might not have a power source, you might be limited space, and there's times where we're looking for something that's more handheld and everything built into one. We haven't found anything until now. Shining 3D has just released a new EINSTAR VEGA, the all-in-one unit. Everything you need in the palm of your hands. It's a game changer. This is new EINSTAR VEGA. We did get the limited edition version, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the new EINSTAR VEGA scanner. I'm pretty excited about this. This is our all-new handheld all-in-one unit scanner. There's 2 different sensors on the scanner. Loving the little rubber grip. I'm really digging the color. It's pretty nice. It comes with a tripod. Pretty cool. Feels pretty sturdy. USB-C cable. Power block to charge scanner. The calibration board is in this case right here, along with some targets. It's a pretty nice carrying case as well. Let's go ahead and start this up. So we do need to calibrate the scanner. The instructions on the screen, everything's pretty much straightforward. Once calibration's done, you're ready for scanning. So for the scanning, we're gonna go ahead and use the fast option. I'll show you how fast it actually works. And I'm gonna start right now. So this is live scanning. So you can see how fast the scanner actually captures. Pretty impressive. So our good friend Kate contacted us and asked if we go ahead and 3D scan her unicorn for her. The reason why is because these are from the 40s and 50s, so they're pretty old. She wanted to have a digital copy just in case the physical copy gets damaged. We can always reproduce them after. From here, we're going to finish scanning, port the file into ZBrush, do some cleanup. Once all that is done, she'll have a digital copy of her unicorn. So we got the opportunity to scan this art display piece for an artist out in the desert. We wanted to see how well the VEGA does in direct sunlight, and to our surprise, it did pretty well. From here, we're going to take that data out, port it into ZBrush, do some cleanup, and we're going to print a miniature version of this display piece for the artist. Since we do a lot of scanning of people, we wanted to see how fast the VEGA works. And here we have Eddie scanning Jules. The whole body scan took about 3 minutes, which is pretty fast. We're working with a few music artists to make some headpieces for them, and all we needed was just a head scan. So the VEGA was a perfect candidate for this job. Each head scan took about 30 seconds, and since these artists was on a tight schedule, we had them in and out in less than a minute thanks to the VEGA. If you're in the market for a 3D scanner, I would totally suggest looking into the new EINSTAR VEGA. It's compact, handheld, everything you need in the palm of your hands and ready to go. All you need to do is just start scanning. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question about anything 3D related, scanning, printing, CAD design, feel free to reach out to us at Cokreeate.com.